Hey Don, before you start that, have you seen my safety glasses?
They're on top of your head.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't want Norm to take back my new Yankee Workshop member sticker, so I better use them. Catch you later. I got to get working on the workbench.
Yeah, please do that. If this head wasn't attached, he would forget that too.
I heard that. Hi there and welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don. Today I have a short tip on how I'm hoping that I've solved my problem of finding my safety glasses when I need them. Most of the time in the shop I try to wear these safety glasses. These fit over my regular glasses really nicely. They're made by Eye Armor and I really like them. But sometimes they're just not handy when I need to use a tool, and I want to make sure that my safety glasses are right there when I need them so that I don't have to go hunting for them. So what I did is I purchased some inexpensive safety glasses. These are still highly rated as far as the impact capability of them, but they're just a little cheaper. I thought I'd interject this important note. If you're going to purchase safety glasses, please make sure that they have the proper and current rating. The plus sign is very important. It means that they've been rated for impact. You may have noticed by now that in almost every shot of me at the table saw, my expensive pair of safety glasses are sitting right here on the table. These I try to use all the time at the table saw, at my chop saw, my jointer, and over here behind me, my planer. I also try to use them other places in the shop and return them back to the table saw when I'm done. After viewing the following video clip when I was editing the workbench video, I realized that I wasn't wearing my safety glasses all the time when I was working at my machines. I had bought a few pairs of these extra safety glasses, but most often they were buried under something and I couldn't find them. I decided it was time to come up with some kind of solution to that particular problem. To solve the problem, I decided to use some epoxy and attach a magnet to this pair of inexpensive safety glasses. Some of you may remember this shot from my May update from 2019. You may have seen the safety glasses on the side of the bandsaw. These were the first pair that I attached the magnet to, and it worked really great. It worked so well that I decided to glue up a couple more pairs of these glasses. One of those pairs is now attached to my drill press. The third pair is attached to the stand of my router table right next to the switch. The only two places in my shop where I don't wear the safety glasses is at the lathe and my grinder. I use my full face shield at both of those, and it's sitting either on top of the lathe or right next to the lathe at all times. As Norm always says, and remember this, There is no more important safety rule than to wear these safety glasses. Well, that's it for this quick tip. I hope it will remind you to wear your safety glasses in your shop. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Ask any questions or make any comments. I greatly appreciate those, and thank you all very much for watching.